Madrid, the capital of Spain, is a city packed with beautiful old buildings that stretch up high, showing off some seriously amazing architecture. Walking through its streets feels like stepping into the past, but there's still a lively, modern vibe all around. From its charming plazas to its stunning facades, Madrid is the perfect mix of history and energy, and it's a city you can't help but fall in love with.
Para el cumpleaños de...
Madrid is a bustling city that's always packed with tourists eager to explore its sights. In the summer, the weather gets hot, and the streets are alive with people soaking up the sun and enjoying everything the city has to offer. It's the perfect spot for those who love the energy of a lively city with a warm, vibrant atmosphere. As we were strolling around, we came across an old church with a beautiful brown facade. It really stood out in its own unique way, adding a special charm to the area. There was something about it that felt timeless and made us stop and take it all in. The city was full of statues, walls, and columns, with sculptures placed on top everywhere you looked. It felt like around every corner, there was another piece of art to discover. You'll see a ton of those bright red tour buses all over the city, taking tourists to all the cool spots. It's super exciting and a fun way to explore. We checked out the famous Del Prado Museum, and it was absolutely amazing. The place is full of incredible art, but sadly, no filming is allowed inside. You can only walk around, take it all in, and really enjoy the experience. Totally worth it. Alongside the beautiful, tall buildings with their unique architecture, there were plenty of restaurants and bars with outdoor seating on the sidewalks. You could sit, relax, and enjoy a drink while taking in the charm of the street around you. We saw a lot of fountains and water features all around the city, and they were absolutely beautiful. Each one added a special charm to the streets, making the city feel even more magical. The narrow, old cobblestone streets with cozy restaurants and cafes made for a really charming and intimate atmosphere. It was the perfect spot to just wander and soak in the local vibe. Throughout the city, there were these white, three-wheeled motorcycles made just for tourists to get around and see the sights. It was pretty interesting and definitely something different.
You just buy the food and buy the food.
All around the city, there were these stunning, massive stone statues that looked ancient and totally unique. They were absolutely breathtaking and hard to miss. There was this stunning fountain and pond right in front of a gorgeous building. totally stealing the spotlight and grabbing everyone's attention.
Non era una critica, cioè io non sono un fumatore, già per le sigarette che sto fumando oggi ho un mal di gola,
Here, we see a structure that looks like something straight out of Egypt. They say it was a gift from Egypt to Spain, and it was really beautiful and unique.
Es su horario. Tengo que poner eso, pero yo. Y luego ya pues pido, porque yo ya tengo armado.
Por aquí, romper las casas y por ahí
Hope you loved this video. Get ready for the next one. It's going to be even more exciting and packed with awesome moments. Don't miss out. Stay with us for the fun.